What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find 1000x meme coins on the Base network early. I'm going to explain to you exactly how the Base network works in case you're new to Base and haven't traded on it yet. And I'm going to show you how you can find coins with absolute amazing return. People that bought the top Base meme coin early have made some insane returns, up in the millions of dollars, with certain snipers sniping this coin early. But also what we can see right here, this coin pumped within days, within literally 1 day, to 5 million, up to 40 million market cap within literally days. And I'm gonna show you a website in this video where you can find these coins early. And similar to pump.fun on Solana, we have Ape.store, actually not apes.store, Ape.store on the Base network, where we're gonna see the next big meme coin on Base be launched. What is so special about that platform? Now, similar to pump.fun, if you're familiar, we can launch a coin for as little as $3 on that platform, making it a no-brainer for celebrities, as in Twitter influencers, YouTubers, and good teams that know how to build good websites to launch their coins here on Ape.store, have it be listed first. This means you're not going to be able to find it on Dex Screener until it hits 69K market cap and hits the blockchain via Uniswap, where it becomes available to trade for anybody not using Ape.store. So Ape.store really is the future of these type of early coins. And when we want to make these high returns and we want to snipe coins, we're no longer able to snipe coins just using Dex Screener or bots that scan the blockchain. Now, obviously here we still have bots, and I'm going to link one down below that's going to show you when new Ape.store coins are launched. But this is pretty much it. We have to be here, otherwise we lose that advantage. And if we want to make some good returns, we have to buy early. We can't be buying at 5 million market cap or above. This is not where we're going to see those insane returns. We have to buy here. And in order to show you how easy that actually is to trade coins on the Base network, I'm going to show you the top 100 coins. I've screenshotted all of them right here, put them in a list, and we can see right away there is a theme happening here. All of these are blue. Pretty much all of them. I mean, there hardly are any. So right away, we see a super strong theme here. And then looking at another data set, we're going to look at the coins on Ape.store that have made it beyond the bonding curve and made it onto the blockchain via Uniswap. And we see again a very similar pattern. All of the highest performing coins on Ape.store are either blue, have a monkey in it, have a cat, or have a dog. And I'm not kidding. This is literally it. The other coins aren't really succeeding. There's almost no point in trading any other coins that are not blue, don't have a cat in it, don't have a dog in it, or have any sort of reference to the normie meta, the blue Coinbase meta, Brian Armstrong meta, Pepe and Brett meta. Those are really the trends happening right now. The rest, you can really forget about it. But that's also why it makes it so easy to trade on Ape.store, because when it comes to what we're looking for, there's only really a couple things that really qualify a coin, which makes it obviously we want to have something blue that we're trading, but also again on meta, it has to do something with that Coinbase identity. It needs to have that identity of Base. This is a Base coin. It belongs on Base. It doesn't belong on Solana or any other blockchain. Obviously, we want to see an active Telegram community, and always the mascot character coins always perform well. We want to check out their website, click on their website, look at it, and we want to make sure this coin is original, not a relaunch. So let's go on Ape.store, click on one of the coins right here so I can show you how it looks like. And right here we see Free the Ape progress. This is the bonding curve. Right now it's 36%. At 69 market cap, it's gonna reach 100% and it's gonna be deployed on the blockchain and ready to be traded on Uniswap. But right here, right now, we can trade this coin on Ape.store, and we can actually see right here an absolute diamond hand community. We're right now in an accumulation phase right here, but absolute amazing chart. Right down here, we have a comment section where the community is communicating, but actually we're gonna join right here into the Telegram and click right here. Let's check it out. We're going to go join into the Telegram, but I want you to do this with every coin. My computer is a little bit laggy right now, but I want you to do that with every coin because you want to look for an active community with amazing memes and people just ready to go, ready to market these coins and really go out there and make this coin a success. Now, in order to trade right here, you pretty much enter the amount of ETH you want to trade, and in order to trade right here, you pretty much just enter how big of a buy you want to make in ETH, and then click the Ape button right here, and you can go ahead and buy the coin that you want to buy. And it's literally as easy as that. And even after it deploys, you can continue to trade on this website right here. So this is really an all-in-one solution for all of you base snipers and future base snipers that want to get into these coins early. I'm actually going to show you one of the coins that has made it to Uniswap, and you can see right here, we can trade the bonding curve, which is the early stage, and we can trade the coin on Uniswap now as well after it has been deployed and made it out of the bonding curve. So now we can see right here to the bonding curve, and we can see Uniswap. So the moment they make it out of the bonding curve right here, it's gonna go to Uniswap, and we can continue to trade the coins right here within the same website, which is pretty cool. Now, let's say you bought a coin on Ape Store. How do you take profits? Can you take profits, and how soon, how safe is this all? Okay. Now, in terms of risk level, we really have to look at a couple of things here. The coin in any moment right here in the bonding curve could go straight back down, and that is why you need to make sure you do your due diligence on the team. You want to see an active developer, active moderators in the chat, and again, all the things that I mentioned before in this video to make sure that you are investing into something solid and people are really behind us for the long run, for a long-term vision. And in those type of coins, you see it push beyond that 69K market cap, make it to the blockchain, and become available for more and more traders to see that are trading on Dex Screener and don't even know about Ape Store yet. So this is really where you can get into coins early, and the potential is absolutely insane right now. And we're continuing to see coins make it out of the bonding curve and send some really nice market caps. And the one thing that you need to understand about Base is that there's no Base coin. We're going to do all our trading with Ethereum, but we're going to bridge it over to the Base network. How we're going to do that is with Super Bridge, where we can easily go ahead and connect our wallet and bridge our Ethereum over to Base. And now that we're on the Base network, we're going to have much lower fees, and we're going to be able to buy meme coins like bread. So again, really all you need is to buy some Ethereum, bridge it over, make sure to put it in your Phantom or MetaMask, bridge it over with Super Bridge, and you're ready to trade. But what if I told you that you can make even crazier returns launching your own version of this sort of coin, adding your own spin to it, making a great website, setting up a Twitter and Telegram? Let's look at the Brett website. This has amazing artwork. It explains what it is. It has the token address linked right here, some helpful links. Here's a display of all the listings that they have, where they've been listed on what exchanges. So this is how a great meme coin website looks like. And you launching your own token on Ape.Store can get you in early as the first buyer. And as the price accumulates, as you market your coin, you're going to make some insane returns as well. So there are two sides to it. You can either make your own coin, or you can get into coins early, where we see a clear narrative, a great website, and a great social media. And that is actually the same way one of my normie friends, absolutely new to meme coins, made $6,000 his first week trading meme coins on Base. And again, to launch your coin and market it properly, you're going to want to have a good Twitter marketing, good Telegram marketing, really understand how Telegram and Twitter marketing works, and build a team. Don't do it alone. Team up together, and you're going to see some insane returns as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you're going to find some amazing coins on Ape.Store. If you want to follow my trades and want to see what I'm trading, I have my social medias linked down below, as well as Ape.Store. So go ahead, find some meme coins, and don't miss out on the absolute insane potential we have with the Base network, everything that's going on with that, and the absolute crazy meme coin super cycle ahead of us. So go ahead, play some trades, and send me your profits. I want to see how you guys are doing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.